Good evening to all of you. It is a joy and pride to celebrate Diwali here in Dallas. This city beautifully reflects both the entrepreneurial energy and the cultural diversity that bind India and the United States together. Diwali literally means a row of lamps. It is one of the world's oldest and most celebrated festivals, dating back over 2,500 years. Across India's diverse traditions, Diwali tells many stories. Lord Rama's return, Goddess Lakshmi's blessings, and Lord Mahavira's liberation. Yet, all share one eternal message: light triumphs over darkness, good over evil. When I look at all of you, I see what makes Diwali so special: the spirit of community and shared values. India and the United States may be oceans apart, but we are bound by freedom, diversity, and democracy. Both societies value family, education, hard work, and entrepreneurship. The Indian American community embodies the very best of both our nations. You have brought India's ancient wisdom, its family values, its spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family, and woven into the American dream seamlessly. And what a contribution you have made. Today, even though Indian Americans represent only 1.4% of the American population, we have led 8% of total tech companies in America and 16% of all Silicon Valley startups. And 1 in every 11 doctors heal Americans today. And today we contribute $150 billion to American economy. And you are one reason today America is in a competitive edge in technology, healthcare, and innovation. And when American companies need cutting edge, artificial intelligence talent, cybersecurity talent, biotechnology research people, they look for Indian talent. When American companies seek their next CEO, they look for leaders like Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, and Indra Nooyi, both products of Indian values and American opportunity. This is not just immigration, this is a strategic advantage. This is how America stays ahead. As we celebrate our success, however, we also embrace a deep responsibility. The true measure of success for any community is not just economic achievement, it is community integration and civic participation. America gave you an opportunity. Give back to the communities that embraced you. Look at my story. I came here 25 years ago with 2 bags, and I built one of the most iconic EdTech company, worth multi-billion dollars. I didn't have any mentors, I didn't have any capital. But this beautiful country enabled that whole thing. Zero corruption, beautiful roads, clean air, clean water, and most importantly, a peaceful community that encouraged me, that enabled me. And I don't think there are many places that I could have done similarly. Therefore, I request all of you, and many of you share similar stories like me. Therefore, it is our collective responsibility to preserve this great, beautiful country, protect it, and promote it. I encourage every Indian American here to make sure you go for voting, do volunteer, and serve. Give to local charities, not just causes back home. Let your success lift not just Indian Americans, but all Americans. Participate and serve in school boards, community centers, and neighborhood associations. Let our festivals be joyful but also mindful, celebrations that share culture, not disturb peace. When we light a diya, we also honor the shared spirit of India and the United States. Like the lamp's flame, our communities may shine alone, but together we illuminate the world. In India today, we see the Diwali spirit alive in our national journey. With our dynamic, honorable, visionary leader, Sri Narendra Modi ji, India is racing towards from a consuming nation to a creating nation, from poverty to prosperity, and from darkness to digital empowerment. These days, as you celebrate Diwali here, kids in India are celebrating Halloween. This beautiful exchange where Indian culture becomes American and American festivals are celebrated in India represents the truest symbol of our shared culture. And I wish you happy Diwali. God bless America and God bless India. Thank you once again.